Bob Natale with a 60-second real estate best of the beach. This is a weekly scan of the MLS for the best priced properties in condos and in residential on the beach. This is for the week of July 13th, 2009. The first is a golf course condo on Possum Trot Road. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It is newly renovated. It is also the lowest priced property in the complex. It is $89,000. This is not a short sale, but it certainly is priced as one. The next is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo oceanfront at the Ocean Park Resort. It's on the 3rd floor in Myrtle Beach, and it is $128,000. The next property is a single-family home just a couple minutes from the beach. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 147.5, and it is 1,400 square feet, and it is again $147,500. Each of these properties is the best priced property at the beach for those categories. If you have any interest in these, please do give me a call at 843-333-2530. And thanks for watching.